Naghahanap ka ba ng smartphone na sobrang lakas at sobrang mura para sa inyong gaming need? Pues, ito next smartphone na papakita ko sa inyo definitely will blow your breath away. Brain. Papakita ko sa inyo after this quick intro. So hi guys, ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget Psychic and welcome back to my channel. Pues, ito na ang ZTE Nubia Z50. This is for me the current cheapest na Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 available here in the market for this early 2023. And yes, you heard it right, pinakamura. Dahil this one is only priced at around 27,000 pesos, guys. Yes, you heard it right, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 na. And nabili ko to sa Shandy Basangkay. I'll be posting the link on the description box below kung saan nyo pwede siyang mabili. But of course, simulan muna natin with a quick unboxing. So kita natin itong box na ito, Z50, no nonsense. Sobrang puti and well, honestly, wala naman masyado nakasulat dito. And ang meron ko dito is 8 gigs of RAM and 120 gigs of storage and the color is green. So buksan muna natin. Sikip naman yan. And so ito na yung phone mismo. Ang ganda niya. Sa likod, it's a fox leather finish. Alam, may 50 Pro lang, no? Ang sarap hawakan sa likod. This is the color green na binili natin, no? And nakita natin sa likod, there's the camera ring dito. Tatlong camera module sa likod. Ang ganang main camera module, meron pa siyang red ring, oh, na pumapalubot sa kanya. Making it looks a lot more premium pa. And what's nice dito sa kanya is very thin ang kanyang camera bump. So meaning, hindi siya masyado magwo-wobble sa table once na nilapag mo naka-face up ang iyong screen. Now, taking a quick tour dito sa phone nito, sa ilalim, meron siyang loudspeaker, meron siyang Type-C port, microphone in, and of course, kanyang SIM tray. Now, sundutin muna natin yung SIM tray. Pakita natin, guys, it can only support a SIM 1 and a SIM 2. Both nano SIM na 5G. Sorry, guys, hindi siya expandable. On the right side, meron siyang volume rocker and power button. Sa ibabaw, meron siyang noise cancelling mic. And on the other side, very clean siya. And what's nice dito sa phone na ito, isang sarap niyang hawakan. Ang likod niya kasing kinis ng kutis ng iyong girlfriend. And ang screen niya sa harap is a curved screen. Sexy. Parang iyong edit. E mapapansin nyo guys, so ang kanyang punch hole is very small. Parang lunal nyo lang. And ang kanyang bezel sa taas and sa baba is symmetrical. So hindi siya nakakairita. And sa sides, halos wala. Kasi, of course, curved screen na siya. There's other things inside the box. Tingnan muna natin. Meron siyang maliit na box, no? Pagbukas natin, bumungad sa inyo ang SIM ejector tool, user guide, and warranty card. And probably for one of those rare moments, makita mo a gray na jelly case, malambot. And probably the first time nakita ko color gray ang kanyang case is probably the GT2 Neo from Realme. And ito ang itsura niya, once na kinabit mo ang case sa likod, nawawalang ganda niya. So I suggest either gumamit ka ng transparent case or huwag na kayo mag-case. Now, meron pa siyang dalawang small box dito sa loob. Meron siyang traditional ZTE na cable na Type-C, red and black. At meron siyang 80 watts na fast charging brick. And yan ang lahat ng laman ng box. Huwag ka na maghanap ng wala dito. Like I said guys, this one is being powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, the latest na processor na meron ni Qualcomm na pinakamataas, pinakamalakas at pinakamabangis para sa inyong gaming needs. And nakapag-score siya ng mataas na score dito sa Antutu benchmark. Nakakuha siya ng 1.2 million na score. Imagine makukuha mo tong score na ito for just 27,000. Sa ibang phone, no, like the Xiaomi 12T, it only comes with a Dimensity 8100 Ultra. And the same price halos, 27,000 pesos, guys. So mapapansin nyo guys, no, swiping dito sa phone na ito, sobrang smooth, sobrang bilis, at sobrang swabe. Parang ako lang. Siguro isa sa pinaka-problema nyo dito is that this is a China-ROM phone. Now, Google Play is not included dito, but sobrang dali lang i-install ang Google Play Store dito. All you need to do is just download the APK Pure app. Pag-install nyo, sa loob mag-search kayo, Google Play Store. Then, makita nyo ang button na update, i-update nyo lang. Then, lalabas na ang Google Play Store, just like ito sa akin. Buksan natin. Ayan, a fully working na Google Play Store. Diba? Walang problema, sabi ko sa inyo. So, sobrang lakas ang phone na ito. Sabi ni 3D Mark na graphics test dito sa phone na ito, max out. Hindi niya kaya. Hindi niya matake sa sobrang lakas nitong processor na ito. Kahit si Geekbench, napa-oo na lang siya. Itong phone na ito is being powered by Android 13. Ang kanyang UI is MyOS 13. Wala pang browsing itong phone na ito. There's quite a number of mga bloatwares na kasama dito. But sobrang dali lang naman siya i-remove. All you need to do is just uninstall and malinis na. There's one problem na napansin ko dito sa phone na ito. Sa thermal throttling. So, at first, out of the box, tinry ko ang thermal throttling. Ito ang result na nakuha ko. Ang pangit, di ba? Honestly, sinabi ko siya, mukhang hindi ko mare-recommend tong phone na ito. And after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 na test, pareho pa rin result. I was really shocked. Sabi ko, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 TSMC, ba't ganito ang result nito? But the day before ko i-shoot tong video na ito, nagkaroon siya ng software update. Medyo malaki, around mga 2 gigs ang kanyang update. Naging ganito na ang kanyang result. Umayos na siya ng husto. Buti na lang nadaan sa software update to. Kung hindi, baka hindi ko na na-recommend sa inyo itong phone na ito. Buti na lang. Now, itong phone na ito is being packed with a 5,000 mAh na battery. I know it's not really that big dahil 5,000 is simply a industry standard. Now, kaya na mag-charge up to 80 watts na fast charger dahil kasama yan sa out of the box. Now, charging from 0 to 100 takes around mga 50 minutes to fully charge itong phone na ito. Now, one surprise na nakuha ko dito is sinet ko siya sa 144Hz sa screen refresh rate. 50% brightness, tinest ko siya sa kanyang battery endurance. Well, surprising nakapagkuha pa siya ng 11 hours na screen on time. Imagine kung ilagay ko to sa 60Hz, it could have been better. Still maybe 13-14 hours kaya naman niya itagal. So, pwede mo i-calibrate ang yung refresh rate, pwede mo i-set sa auto, 60, 120, or 144Hz. Imagine guys, 27,000 meron ka 144Hz screen refresh rate, which is normally present sa mga gaming phones lang. And by the way guys, ang ZTE Nubia is the same manufacturer ng Red Magic na gaming phone. So, yung technology nila is almost the same. Now, itong phone na ito comes in a 6.67-inch na AMOLED display. It can display up to 1 billion of colors, 144Hz screen refresh rate, HDR10 Plus support, and ang kanyang max brightness, it's 1,000 nits. Sobrang niyang bright under the bright sunlight, so definitely wala kang problem viewing the phone under the bright sunlight. And what's nice dito sa phone na ito, it has a 91% na screen-to-body ratio. Imagine that, halos solong-solo mo ang screen. Now, watching videos dito sa phone na ito, definitely very delightful. Sobrang black ang black, sobrang punchy ang color, sobrang sarap manood ng videos dito, definitely. And another thing nga pala guys, this one has a level 1 na Wi-Fi security level, meaning pwede ka manood ng mga HD sa Netflix and other online streaming apps. So watching some videos on YouTube, I can say sobrang smooth, sobrang sarap, and I love watching on this phone. Kaya mo mag-binge watching all day long ng Korean novela dito sa phone na ito. Guaranteed. Imagine guys, browsing your social media like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, sobrang smooth niya. Masasabi ko sa inyo, mas smooth pa siya kaysa sa ex ninyo. Ito naman ang browsing dito sa TikTok, mabilis. Hindi siya naglalag like ibang phones. Grabe, I can say sobrang enjoyable mag-browse sa TikTok dito sa phone na ito. Magsawa ka dito. Now guys, another thing na gustong-gusto ko dito sa phone na ito is definitely ang kanyang camera. At 27,000 pesos, sobrang impressive ang kanyang camera dito sa phone na ito. First, it has the 64MP na Sony IMX767 na sensor. It is aperture 1.6 and it has OIS. And ang kanyang second sensor is the 50MP na ultra-wide lens, aperture 2.2, and meron siyang autofocus. And what's nice dito guys is that this one, hindi siya camera module. Akala ko una camera module, but it's a ring LED na light. First time ko na nakita to, pakita ko sa inyo ano itsura niya pag nakailaw. Ayan, kita na guys, bilog ang kanyang ilaw. Unlike yung mga iba na pahaba, pa-kwadrado, but this one, it's circular in shape. Parang yung mga ring light na ginagamit lang natin for vlogging. And what's nice meron pa siyang intensity. Ayan guys, 1, meron siyang intensity 7, Pwede mo i-calibrate, astig. And guys, tingnan nyo, ang dami ng mode dito sa kanyang video recording na capability from 8K to 4K, 120 FPS, and so on and so forth. Ang dami mo pwede pagpilian, guys. And using this phone for vlogging, I'm pretty sure na sobra ng smooth. Especially when you're using 4K, 120 FPS, or even 8K. But ako, for me, okay ng 4K, 120 FPS, or 4K, 60 FPS should be more than enough for vlogging. Ang kanyang 16MP na front-facing camera can shoot up to 1080p and 30 FPS lang. Probably one thing na manghang-mangha ako dito sa phone na ito na sobra ako napabilib is ang kanyang camera performance. This one, pag nilabas mo sa outdoors, I was able to take in some really nice shot. Lalo na pag nagkukuha ka ng mga shots sa mga puno, mga nature, ang ganda. The blue is not exaggerated blue, the green is not exaggerated green, just the right color na parang natural ang kanyang color. Hindi siya OA, like other cameras na flagship. And taking in some low light na indoor shot is equally nice as well, guys. I can say and I can truly attest na sobrang easy mag-focus using this phone. Imagine nakapagkuha ko ng mga shots na ito on low light situation. I'm really amazed with it. And tingnan nyo mga food shot na ito, guys. Nakuha ko sa Marugame Udon and sobrang dark doon sa halos spot lamp lang ang meron. But it was able to reproduce this into very natural and parang ang sarap kagatin itong mga food na ito na makita mo dito on these pictures. Pumasya sa Xiaomi store para try ng mga anak ko ang kanilang scooter. Ito mga shot na ito, I can say parang ka nag-studio shot. Sobrang ganda. Napawaw na lang ako after ko tinignan to sa PC. Even ang kanyang night mode is equally nice as well. Probably not the nicest, pero ang kanyang focusing is a little bit slow. Mga 4 seconds bago makomplete siyang shot, but the result is not so bad. Now, tinry natin ang kanyang selfie camera using it on different na lighting scenarios. There are some nakuha ko under low light. There are some nakuha ko under bright lightings. Okay naman ang kanyang selfie camera. It's quite impressive din. Now, tinry naman natin kumuha ng simple vlog using this phone. Check this out. So guys, this is the performance of the front camera of the ZTE Nubia Z50. Using it for selfie video, for vlogging, for just simply video chat on Zoom. This is what you get. Clear, even at 1080p, and of course the audio is recorded using the default microphone. What do you think? Now guys, probably the moment that you have been waiting for, ang gaming test dito sa phone na ito. Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, I'm sure wala siyang throttling. I'm pretty sure na it should be able to perform without a hitch. So nag-try tayo ng several games dito, no? From Asphalt 9 to Call of Duty to Genshin Impact and Tower of Fantasy. All of these games nilaro ko dito na masinsinan for roughly mga at least 1 hour each game. But of course, to enjoy gaming, sinama natin to. Si FlyDG na Apex 3 gaming controller for smartphone or even PC. This is an Elite gaming controller na meron ni FlyDG. And na-try na natin ng Apex 2 before napawaw tayo yung Gundam Edition. Ang ganda nyo guys. This time around, ginandahan pa nila lalo. It's a transparent edition. Imagine mo yung parang Red Magic na Void sa Red Magic 8 Pro. Yung transparent ang likod, halos ganun na ganun ang kanyang design. Medyo nostalgic to, no? Kasi nung bata ako, nung PS1 ko, naghanap pa ako ng transparent case para baklasin yung original at ikabit para makita mo yung ganito, smoke black na transparent color. And this time around, no sweat. By default, ganito na kanyang design. Very, very nice. And what's nice dito sa likod, ang kanyang grip is very nice and hindi siya madulas, no? So definitely pag gaming, sarap. All you need to do is just power up dito sa likod. Makita mo, nakailaw na. Ito ang FlyDG logo. And meron siyang LED display dito sa gitna. And of course, to connect to your phone, sobrang dali lang niya. All you need to do is download the FlyDG app. Hanapin mo Apex 3, connect, done. There are some presets na game, no, dito sa phone na ito. Si Call of Duty may preset, si Genshin Impact may preset, si Tower Fantasy, well, wala. You have to set it on your own. I'm pretty sure si Mobile Legends and si PUBG meron siyang preset, yung mga sikat na games. One thing na nagustuhan ko dito is ang dami ng controls and very smooth, very nice itong gamitin na ito while I'm playing the game Tower of Fantasy. So, tinry ko siya gamitin dito sa Tower Fantasy and sinet ko on my own ng kanyang mga settings and the game runs smoothly. Medyo it takes a little bit used to it kasi yung pagpan ng left and right, depende sa yung sensitivity, no? Kung at saan ka sanay. So, i-calibrate mo into your own na settings, no? Of course, it's not the one setting for all. Medyo ilalaro mo muna siya before mo makuha ang tamang timpla para sa iyo. Playing Tower Fantasy, sinet natin sa high settings. I was able to play through this game using the FlyDG Apex 3 smoothly. Wala naman na feel na frame drops. If meron man, medyo very minimal lang naman. Overall, the gameplay is very nice and ang sound niya is definitely clear dahil meron siyang stereo speaker dito sa phone na ito. And the controls is really responsive thanks to the FlyDG Apex 3. For the other games, hindi na tayo ng FlyDG Apex 3 dahil gusto ko i-test ang sensitivity nitong screen na ito, kung responsive ba siya. And of course, next tinry natin si Asphalt 9. It was smooth, it was okay. Hindi naman siya masyado graphics intense si Asphalt 9 and the gameplay was great. Then the next come Call of Duty Mobile. One of my favorite games i-test sa mga almost all mobile phones na dumaan dito sa aking kamay, no? And this one was able to run smoothly. Nilagyan natin siya sa all high settings so it was able to perform. Sobrang smooth ang graphics. And sobrang sarap maglaro nitong game na ito. The screen is responsive. I can say yung kanyang loudspeaker is okay. And probably kung hindi ka satisfied sa sound niya, you can always use yung mga TWS na gusto nyo or even wired headset. You can always buy something like this para magamit yung wired headset, a USB Type-C to audio jack connector. It's sold separately. Hindi kasama sa package. And the final game na tinry natin dito is no other than Genshin Impact. Nilagay natin siya sa sobrang high settings. And guys, I can say, no, wala ako halos na feel na frame drops while playing the game, no? And real gameplay naman ginawa natin dito, guys, so kaya na-feel natin na talaga smooth ang experience, walang frame drops. And by the way, guys, this is not a YouTube recording dahil talagang nilaro natin ng masinsinan. Gusto natin i-enjoy yung game, no? At the same time, masabi ko sa inyo kung talagang okay about kind of performance. Siyempre, if it's a recorded na playback sa YouTube, makikita mo, definitely smooth. And definitely, hindi natin gagawin dito sa channel natin kasi gusto ko pakita sa inyo ang real gaming experience. So ano guys, convinced na ba kayo dito sa phone na ito, si ZTE Nubia Z50? For 27,000 pesos, you get a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, a nice camera, Sony IMX767, a nice camera na Sony IMX767 sensor, 80 watts of fast charging brick, AMOLED na curved screen, Fox leather na back cover, alam Mate 50 Pro lang, and of course, a slim and sexy design. All of this for just 27,000 pesos lang sa kanyang entry-level na variant. And guys, nabili ko tong phone na ito sa Shandy Masangkay. Ang kanyang 8128 is around 27,000 pesos, and there's another one, 8256, it's around 29,000 pesos. I'll be posting the link on the description box below. Check nyo lang. And as well, this phone is also available sa Lazada. I'll be posting the link equally down there. But kung gusto nyo bumili sa Lazada, there's also a link that I'll be sharing down there below. But I haven't really tried buying from them, so you have to check them out before you buy from them. So guys, I hope na itong video na ito nakapagtulong sa inyo mag-decide kung bibili nyo itong ZTE Nubia Z50 na sobrang lakas ng processor at sobrang mura siya para sa kanyang specs. At kung nagustuhan itong video na ito, don't forget guys to like, subscribe, and of course, click na ng bell icon para hindi nyo ma-miss mga future uploads like this one dito sa aking channel. And so, ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?